Guys, I'm gonna show you the third house. I don't know if I mentioned it in the other video, but it's a total of 5 houses that are being sold in a package. And this is the third one. And it is in the same enclosure, in the same area, but a different neighborhood. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go inside and show you the layout of this one. As you can see in there, the roof is in there, just have to be laid out. This is even better than the second house because it's more finish, like really finishing touches. This one has even the flooring done. The other one didn't have the flooring done. So only some areas need floors and some finishing touches. So it's in better shape than the first one. So you wouldn't be doing much in this one either. This particular house, this is where the kitchen and the dining area are going to be. This particular house is by the lake, or a little pond, if you want to call that. I'm going to show you this right now. So it's a great area that you can set up to entertain. This is the back of the house. And I'm gonna go upstairs and show you the layout upstairs, and I'm gonna show you the rooms that are in the first floor. But it is a little dark in here because it's raining and the clouds are creeping in. So it's gonna be a little dark in here. This is a room. This is one of the rooms on the first floor, right by the back of it. And here, there's a bathroom with shower. It's a huge bathroom. It is a little dark, so you won't be able to see everything. You can walk out of here. There's walk-in closets. There's another bathroom area. And you walk in here, and there's 2 more rooms down on the first floor. So if you have, so it'll be awesome for somebody with a large family, and everybody can have their own space. Like, you wouldn't even have to see each other in this house. When you come through here, that goes to the garage, the double garage. And I'm gonna go upstairs now to show you the second floor. The stairs do not need the flooring done. Bathroom here. Yep. And 1 room. That's all it is in the second floor. That's my husband trying to run away from the video. Yep. Just the 1 room with the walk-in closet and their own bathroom. So this one is a little smaller, so that means that the work that it needs is a little less than the other ones. This will be the kitchen area, which is huge. It's amazing. So if you picked up this house, you probably can have it done like real soon. Just finish it up and sell it and flip it, or rent it out, whatever floats your boat. Through here, you come outside of the house. There you go. Awesome property. Awesome flip. This one you can be making money real fast. Look at that. This house is almost finished. Yep. So this is the third one. 2 more to go, so stay tuned.